Hi, my name is Jenny Cabiles. Um, I've been working in a company for like 3 months now, and I am a production team member. So, as a woman working in the manufacturing company, it was very challenging, yet it's very fulfilling. It's because you can prove that not all men can do the job, but as women too. So what I like about my job is like all people in the production floor, they are very helping hand. And they helping us women too. My advice for the other women looking for a job in manufacturing company, be passionate about it. You can do it because working in a manufacturing company is a diverse and exciting area to be working in. Starlim encourages women to be more powerful and strong. And then, especially, they celebrated it with a lot of party and then with a lot of gifts, especially as women. So I love it.